If you're just tuning into this channel, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. And tell us where you're watching from in the comments section. When living with an ostomy, your dinner choice becomes the cornerstone of a restful night. To ensure comfort and consistent output, prioritize gentle digestion by choosing low-residue foods that break down effortlessly. Texture is paramount. Always remove skins and seeds, cooking vegetables until they are perfectly fork tender. Keep flavors simple and comforting by using mild herbs like parsley or dill, which provide aroma without the irritation of aggressive spices. This nourishing balance of lean protein and smooth starches helps thicken output, providing the stability your body needs for a peaceful, worry-free sleep. In this section of the video, we transition into a sophisticated yet safe evening ritual, a nutrient-dense dinner featuring flaky salmon and skinless whipped potatoes. This meal is specifically designed to be exceptionally gentle on the gut, ensuring every component is cooked until it reaches a melt-in-the-mouth softness. By prioritizing high-quality protein, we support your body's healing and energy levels without the discomfort of a heavy, hard-to-digest meal. It is a dinner-ready solution that looks elegant on the plate while remaining perfectly suited for smooth digestive transit and your total comfort. To prepare this nourishing dinner for one, start with a 4-ounce salmon fillet, ensuring the skin is removed for easy digestion. For the base, gather 1 large Yukon Gold or Russet potato and half a cup of carrots, both meticulously peeled and sliced into thin rounds. You'll need a tablespoon of butter or a dairy-free alternative to achieve a creamy mash, along with a teaspoon of olive oil and a splash of fresh lemon juice. Complete the dish with a half teaspoon of finely rubbed dried parsley or dill and a gentle pinch of salt for subtle, soothing flavor. Begin by peeling the potato and carrots completely, as removing every bit of skin is a vital step in preventing digestive blockages. To ensure a smooth and even cook, chop the potato into small, uniform cubes and slice the carrots into very thin rounds. This allows them to soften fully and mash effortlessly later. Finally, ensure your salmon fillet is thoroughly defrosted and gently pat it dry with a paper towel. These simple, mindful preparations create the foundation for a meal that is as safe for your stomach as it is satisfying for your palate. Begin by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure a gentle, even bake for your salmon. While the oven warms, line a small baking sheet with parchment paper to prevent sticking and keep cleanup effortless. Fill a medium pot with fresh water, ready to transform your potatoes and carrots into a soft, digestible base. Finally, set out your potato masher or a whisk. Having these tools ready ensures you can whip the vegetables into a smooth, creamy texture immediately while they are hot. This organized approach keeps your cooking environment calm and focused on wellness. To begin cooking the base of your meal, place the cubed potatoes and sliced carrots into the pot of water and bring it to a rolling boil over high heat. Once the water begins to bubble, reduce the temperature to medium-high and allow the vegetables to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. This duration is vital. You are looking for a very soft, mushy consistency. Before draining, use a fork to ensure the carrots yield easily to pressure, guaranteeing a smooth, safe texture that is gentle on your digestive system. Gently place your salmon fillet onto the parchment-lined baking sheet, preparing it for a delicate roast. Drizzle the fish with a touch of olive oil and fresh lemon juice, then sprinkle the finely ground herbs and a tiny pinch of salt to enhance the natural flavors without irritation. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes until the salmon is opaque and flakes effortlessly with a fork. If your fillet includes skin, carefully peel it away and discard it before serving. Removing this tough texture ensures every bite remains soft, safe, and easy for your stomach to process. Once the vegetables are perfectly tender, drain the potatoes and carrots thoroughly, ensuring no excess water remains. Return them to the warm pot and add a tablespoon of butter to begin the softening process. Mash the mixture vigorously until it reaches a smooth, consistent texture. For an extra safe, easily digestible result, stir in a small splash of milk or broth to create a light, whipped consistency. It is essential to ensure the carrots are fully integrated and soft within the mash, leaving no firm chunks that could challenge your digestive system. Spoon a generous, smooth portion of the vibrant carrot potato mash onto your plate, creating a soft and welcoming base. Gently place the salmon fillet alongside or directly on top of the mash for a comforting presentation. To ensure the easiest possible digestion, use your fork to flake the salmon into very small, manageable pieces before you begin eating. This single balanced plate is designed to provide a safe sense of fullness, nourishing your body with high-quality protein and easy-to-process starches that support a comfortable and restful evening. This lemon herb salmon and mash is a powerhouse for ostomy wellness, carefully designed to promote consistency. The cooked potatoes and carrots act as natural thickening agents, helping to produce a more manageable output overnight. By meticulously peeling all vegetables and choosing tender fish, this low-residue meal significantly minimizes the risk of blockages. Furthermore, the omega-3s in the salmon provide anti-inflammatory benefits that are remarkably gentle on the digestive tract. With its high moisture content, this meal also ensures you stay well hydrated, supporting a peaceful and restorative night's sleep.